Having the wrong thermostat for your heating and air conditioning system can totally mess up your comfort and crank up your energy bills, so knowing how to pick the right one is clutch. Alright, first thing, figure out what kind of HVAC system you've got, whether it's a heat pump or a furnace, because they need different thermostats to work right. Check your system's manual or look at the unit itself for labels or model numbers to identify it. If you have a heat pump, you want a thermostat that specifically supports heat pump controls since it handles both heating and cooling differently than a furnace. Furnaces usually work fine with simpler thermostats that just switch between heating and cooling modes. Then, think about smart thermostats if you want to save money over time and have more control, but make sure they're compatible with your system type. Another tip is to read online reviews or forums where folks talk about what worked for their heat pumps or furnaces. Real user feedback helps. Don't forget to check if the thermostat can handle features like dual fuel systems if you have one, which combines a heat pump with a furnace for efficiency. Lastly, if you're confused or want to avoid messing it up, call a pro or at least consult your system's manual before buying anything. One of the biggest thermostat problems is picking one that doesn't match your system type, like using a basic thermostat with a heat pump, which leads to improper heating or cooling cycles and wastes energy. Fix this by double-checking your system type before buying. Another mistake is ignoring compatibility with features like dual fuel or multi-stage systems, which causes the thermostat to not run your system optimally. Solution here is to choose thermostats that explicitly list support for those features. The third common issue is not calibrating or installing the thermostat correctly, which can cause weird temperature swings or the system running when it shouldn't. Make sure to follow installation instructions carefully or hire a pro to set it up right. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle HVAC setups and thermostat installations, making your life easier. Plus, it's a great platform for contractors looking to find steady work by reaching homeowners who need home improvement help.